Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at exactly how to withdraw your earnings from Google Opinion Rewards. The withdrawal process depends entirely on whether you are using an Android or an iOS device, so let's break down both methods directly. If you are using an Android device, your survey earnings are automatically deposited into your Google Play balance. It is important to clarify that Google does not offer a direct cash out option to a bank account or PayPal for Android users. Instead, your balance updates instantly on the app's home screen after each completed survey. You can spend these funds directly in the Google Play Store. This covers paid apps, games, movies, books, and even in-app purchases or recurring subscriptions like YouTube Premium or Google One. To use your funds, simply tap the Play Store button directly inside the Rewards app and complete your checkout. If you are using an iPhone or iPad, the system works differently. Google Opinion Rewards pays iOS users directly in cash via PayPal. To trigger a payout, your balance must reach a minimum threshold of $2. Every time you accrue $2 in earnings, the app automatically transfers the funds to your linked PayPal address. If the email address you use for the Rewards app is different from your PayPal account, you will receive an email notification from PayPal. You must accept that initial payment within 30 days to link the accounts. Once verified, all future transfers will process completely automatically. Keep in mind that your credits and balances expire 1 year from the date of your last completed survey. Keep your app notifications enabled so you never miss an available task. If this guide helped you clear your task today, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more direct, professional tutorials. Thanks for watching.